Another My Jeep update, projects around the house, Craftsman generator.
Okay, as you can see, I got the oil pressure sensor loose. I just used some needle nose and I pulled it right off that connector there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the plug back in it. Just lay the tank in here, connect the hose, put a little bit of fuel in it, and I'll see if it'll start. Okay, I got the spark plug back in right here. I got the fuel tank just laying in there, and right here is where I'm going to connect to the carburetor. Right there, you can see that tube that goes into the carburetor. And I'm going to put a little gas in it, and I'll let you know if it runs or not. And that's what it was. All I did was disconnect. I just put a little bit of fuel in it, so it probably ran out. But that's all I did was disconnect the oil pressure switch. Alright, there it is. Disconnected the oil pressure switch.
Turn the switch to the right, straight up and down, for fuel off. I'll replace the oil pressure switch sometime in the future.